The Swedish Armed Forces have begun replacing over 50 CV90 armored combat vehicles, Stridsford 9040C, that were donated to Ukraine. The new vehicles, CV90 MkIIIC, Stridsford 9035 MkIIIC, will be gradually introduced into the 7th Mechanized Brigade, MkIIIC, in Skane until 2030. These are now being rearmed in the 7th Mechanized Brigade in Skane, said Lennart Widerström, head of the Swedish Army Combat School, Markstridsskolan, who is overseeing the implementation. The donated vehicles originally belonged to the Southern Scania Regiment, P7, which is home to MkIIIC. The acquisition has been managed by the Swedish Defence Materiel Administration, FMV, which signed the contract with the supplier BAE Systems Hägglunds. The CV90 MkIIIC features a 35mm Bushmaster automatic cannon with programmable ammunition, offering effectiveness comparable to the 40mm Bofors cannon used on the previous version. Additional armaments include anti-tank missiles for enhanced capability against enemy armor and a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun. The vehicle also benefits from increased protection through add-on armor and a variety of defensive systems. These include multiple sensors providing 360-degree situational awareness and countermeasures capable of detecting and responding to incoming threats, such as intercepting missiles or deploying close protection smoke. The vehicle has rubber tracks, a rear ramp instead of a door, and is powered by an 830 horsepower Scania 16-liter V8 diesel engine with an electronically controlled gearbox, reaching speeds of up to 70 km per hour. It offers space for a crew of 7 and represents a significant technological upgrade. In addition to the vehicles, the introduction program covers new training facilities and the education of instructors, technicians, mechanics, and workshop personnel. This implementation also includes the development of new methods and technical publications. As part of the training effort, the Swedish Army has launched a collaboration with Denmark and the Netherlands. Denmark brings over 15 years of experience operating the CV90 MkIIIA, an earlier version with similar chassis and cannon systems, and is currently in the process of acquiring the MkIIIC as well. This cooperation is expected to support the smooth integration of the new vehicles into Swedish units.